2 minutes. To being blessed is to receive mercy. Okay? What is mercy? God's compassionate kindness, withholding the deserved punishment. Okay? Mercy is when God says, if I deserve it. I mean, when God says it's okay, because as you can see, we've done a lot of these things. You know that girl, Tracy Rivero. You did so many things. We need mercy. Withholding, so mercy is when God withholds what you deserve, and He gives you what you don't deserve. You see, they say only in hell do people get what they deserve. Only in hell. If you go to heaven, that means you receive something that you don't deserve. We all deserve to go to hell. We all deserve to burn because we've all sinned. Yeah. But now God gives us His forgiveness. God